Ready to conquer the clutter and elevate your home aesthetic without breaking the bank? We've scoured the depths of DIY culture to bring you the most ingenious, space-saving IKEA storage table hacks ever conceived. From the iconic Kallax to the versatile lack, these transformations turn basic furniture into high-end statement pieces. Say goodbye to messy living rooms and hello to functional masterpieces. Whether you're a minimalist seeking hidden compartments or a maximalist looking for a pop of color, these 9 life-changing hacks will revolutionize how you think about storage. Let's dive into the world of smart design and creative ingenuity to turn your home into an organized sanctuary of style. Number 1. The Kallax Industrial Coffee Cube. Transform a standard 2x2 Kallax unit into a chic industrial coffee table. Start by adding a reclaimed wood top to provide a rustic texture that contrasts with the smooth IKEA finish. Attach 4 heavy-duty casters to the bottom for effortless mobility and a loft-style aesthetic. Use the open cubbies for stylish wicker baskets or minimalist wire bins to hide away remote controls, magazines, and chargers. This hack maximizes every square inch of your living room, offering a sturdy surface for drinks while keeping your floor clear of clutter. It's the perfect blend of modern utility and vintage industrial charm. Number 2. The IKEA Floating Entryway Sideboard. Elevate your entryway by mounting several IKEA cabinets onto a single wall-mounted rail. This floating storage table hack creates a sense of airiness while providing ample space for mail, keys, and accessories. To make it truly custom, paint the exterior in a sophisticated matte charcoal or deep forest green. Top it with a custom-cut marble slab to hide the seams between the units. The result is a high-end designer look for a fraction of the cost. The wall-mounted design keeps the floor visible, making small hallways appear much larger and more organized than traditional bulky furniture pieces. Number 3. The Hidden Compartment Lack Trunk. Take 2 basic lack side tables and stack them creatively to create a tiered storage solution. Alternatively, hinge a custom wooden top onto the frame of a lack coffee table to create a secret compartment inside the hollow core. Use this hidden space to store seasonal blankets or board games that usually clutter your shelves. Wrap the legs in sisal rope for a coastal vibe, or use gold leaf for a touch of glam. This budget-friendly hack proves that even the simplest IKEA pieces can be modified to include valuable, concealed storage without sacrificing any surface area in small rooms. Number 4. The Cane Front Besta Media Hub. Create a seamless media center using the Besta system. By combining multiple units and adding decorative cane webbing to the door fronts, you can achieve a trendy boho chic aesthetic. This allows infrared signals from remotes to pass through while keeping messy cables and electronics completely out of sight. Swap the standard plastic legs for elegant tapered oak legs to give the piece more height and a mid-century modern profile. It serves as both a sturdy TV stand and a massive storage hub for your entire media collection, blending flawlessly into any contemporary living space with a custom handmade feel. Number 5. The Beckfom Rolling Cocktail Bar. The humble Beckfom kitchen cart is the ultimate candidate for a storage table makeover. Sand down the raw wood and apply a rich walnut stain for an expensive finish. Install a brass towel rack on the side and a series of undershelf wine glass holders. This turns a simple prep station into a mobile bar cart and storage table. The lower shelves are perfect for storing spirit bottles and cocktail shakers, while the top provides ample space for mixing drinks. It's a versatile piece that moves easily from the kitchen to the patio, offering functional storage wherever it is needed. Number 6. The Multi-Tiered Gladam Upgrade. The Gladam tray table is already functional, but you can double its storage capacity with a simple modification. By attaching a secondary wooden disc halfway down the legs, you create an additional shelf for books or decorative items. Spray paint the entire frame in a metallic copper or matte black to match your existing interior style. This hack transforms a lightweight accent table into a multi-tiered storage powerhouse. It's perfect for small apartments where bedside or sofa-side space is limited, providing 2 levels of organization in the footprint of just one small circular table without looking cluttered. Number 7. The Mom Upholstered Bedside Bench. Repurpose a mom dresser into a functional storage bench at the foot of your bed. By removing the top drawers and reinforcing the structure with a cushioned plywood lid, you create a comfortable seating area with deep storage bins underneath. Upholster the lid in a luxurious velvet or durable linen fabric to match your bedding. This hack is ideal for storing extra pillows, heavy winter duvets, or even a shoe collection. It combines the utility of a storage chest with the comfort of a bedroom bench, making your sleeping quarters feel like a high-end boutique hotel suite instantly. Number 8. The Hemness Console Library Nook. Convert a Hemness console table into a sophisticated library nook. Instead of leaving the space beneath the tabletop open, install custom-sized wooden boxes or drawers that fit perfectly between the legs. Paint the unit in a deep navy blue and add vintage brass hardware for a timeless, academic look. Use the new compartments to categorize your book collection by genre or color. This hack provides a dedicated home for your favorite reads, while the slim profile of the table ensures it doesn't overwhelm your hallway or living room, maintaining a balanced and scholarly atmosphere throughout the space. Number 9. The Trone's Slim Entryway Table. While designed for shoes, Trone's cabinets can be grouped together and topped with a single long piece of pine to create a slim, stylish storage table. This narrow profile is perfect for tight entryways where traditional furniture won't fit. The flip-down compartments are surprisingly spacious, accommodating everything from umbrellas to dog leashes. By adding the wooden top, you provide a landing strip for keys and mail, effectively turning a plastic storage bin into a piece of integrated furniture. It's a brilliant example of thinking outside the box to solve specific small space organization challenges efficiently and affordably.